On August 25, 1957, the Indian polo team made history by winning the World Championship in France. The tournament featured top teams around the world, including England, Argentina, Spain, Mexico, and France. The Indian team, consisting of Major Krishna Singh, Kuwar Vijay Singh, Rao Raja Hanut Singh, and Maharaja Savai Man Singh of Jaipur, performed exceptionally well, securing victories in several challenging matches. Their determination led them to the final, where they clinched the World Championship title. The World Polo Championship is organized every 2 to 3 years by the Federation of International Polo. On August 25, 2003, two bomb blasts in Mumbai killed 54 people and injured 244. One explosion occurred at the Gateway of India, a popular tourist spot, and the other near Mumba Devi Temple in Zaveri Bazaar, a central jewelry market. The bombs were hidden in parked taxis and detonated in the afternoon. Initially, no group claimed responsibility, but Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Taiba was later blamed. On August 31, 2003, suspects Ashrat Ansari, Hanis Sayyed and his wife Hamida were arrested. They were found guilty and sentenced to death by Mumbai Special Court in August 2009 under the Pota law. August 25, 1944 is celebrated as Paris Liberation Day, marking the city's freedom from Nazi Germany during World War II. Paris had been under Nazi control since 1940 and during nearly 4 years of oppression. On August 18, 1944, French resistance forces began an uprising against the German army, with French citizens playing a key role. This revolt culminated on August 25, 1944, when French and Allied forces entered Paris, compelling the German soldiers to surrender. Paris Liberation Day symbolizes the end of Nazi tyranny and the courage of the French people. On August 25, 1989, NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft flew past Neptune. Launched on August 20, 1977, Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to have closely studied all 4 giant planets of the solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It discovered Jupiter's 14th moon and was the first human-made object to pass the Uranus, where it found 10 new moons and 2 rings, and was also the first to fly past Neptune, discovering 5 moons, 4 rings, and a great dark spot. Voyager 2 also studied Saturn's rings and moons, including Titan. It is the second human-made object to reach the farthest edge of the solar system and remains active, still transmitting data to scientists. On August 25, 1609, the Italian scientist Galileo Galilei presented his improved telescope to the ruling body of Venice, marking the start of a new scientific revolution. Although Galileo did not invent the telescope, he enhanced its design, making it more powerful. The original telescope was invented in the Netherlands in 1608 by Dutch lens maker Hans Lippershey. Galileo heard of this technology and refined it, increasing its magnification from 3x to 8 to 9x and later to 20x. His invention impressed the Venetian Senate, which doubled his salary. Galileo is also known as the father of modern physics.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On August 25, 2 great scientists passed away: James Watt in 1819 and Michael Faraday in 1867. Faraday, a British scientist, introduced the world to electrochemistry and electromagnetic induction, which are the foundations for today's electric motors and dynamos. He also discovered key chemical compounds like benzene. James Watt, known for inventing the steam engine, played a crucial role in advancing the Industrial Revolution by increasing speed of trains. Watt also developed the concept of horsepower, a measure still used today to quantify the power of engines and machines. On August 25, 2012, Neil Armstrong, the first person to walk on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission, passed away. Armstrong spent about 2.5 hours on the lunar surface where he planted the American flag, took photographs and collected soil samples. Born on August 5, 1930 in the United States, Armstrong obtained his pilot's license at a young age. He studied aeronautical engineering and served in the Navy during the Korean War. After his military service, he pursued a career in civil engineering and aeronautics. Following his historic moon landing, Armstrong retired from NASA and dedicated himself to education.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now, Rhythm app, where every story matters.